Created in 1961, the National Institute of Space Research, Inpe, subordinated to the Ministry of Science and Technology, is Brazil's main point of reference and of excellence in the field of space activities and their applications. Inpe contributes towards the country's scientific, technological and industrial development, monitors its agricultural and environmental resources, and helps to promote sustainable development and improvements to the population's quality of life. Inpe has its head office in São José dos Campos, state of São Paulo. These are some of the Institute's principal installations: the Satellite Tracking and Control Center, the associated laboratories, and the Laboratory for Satellite Integration and Testing, the largest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. Located in Cachoeira Paulista, São Paulo, are the Combustion and Propulsion Laboratory and the Center for Weather Forecasting and Climatic Studies, CPTEC. Inpe also has installations in the north, northeast, center-west, southeast, in the south of Brazil, and at the permanent Brazilian station in the Antarctic. The Inter-American Institute for Research into Global Climate Changes, supported by 19 countries, and the Regional Center for Education and Space Science and Technology for Latin America and the Caribbean, located in the South Regional Center. Inpe's activities focus on three principal areas: the scientific area, the applications area, and the engineering area. In the sciences of space and the atmosphere, Inpe investigates physical and chemical phenomena occurring in the atmosphere and in outer space, through research and experiments in the fields of aeronomy, astrophysics, and space geophysics. Uses stratospheric balloons and sounding rockets for studies of the upper atmosphere, telescopes in balloons for the study of cosmic radiation, such as MASCO, launched in April 2004, and runs a program for monitoring and forecasting space climate. Inpe basic research groups study plasma physics, new materials, nanotechnology, and scientific computing. Inpe engineers are also involved in space mechanics and control, aerospace electronics, and ground systems. Knowledge gained in the scientific area is also disseminated through training and postgraduate courses, which attract hundreds of students annually from various academic backgrounds. The Inpe Visitor Center welcomes around 12,000 people per year. The Inpe Library contains more than 60,000 titles with a modern digital system for accessing technical and scientific data. The applications area handles studies and observations of the Earth, such as forecasting of agricultural harvests, real-time monitoring of deforestation, burn clearing, and forest fires, and numerical forecasts of weather and climate. The Inpe projects to generate and disseminate knowledge and technology for responding to the demands and challenges provoked by global changes are linked to research in Earth systems science. Inpe leads the Brazilian Research Network on Global Climate Changes, Rede Clima, instituted by the Ministry of Science and Technology, and participates and contributes with programs and international forums on the theme, such as the IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel for Climate Changes. Another example in the area of Earth system sciences is the program Space and Society, created to expand the benefits and products of the space program and convey them to the citizen. Inpe has supercomputers, which place Brazil among the countries in the world with a high processing capacity dedicated to weather and climatic operations and research. Microsatellites such as the SCD series developed by Inpe, provides some of the data used in this processing, collected from more than 600 autonomous data collection platforms spread around the whole of Brazil and South America. Weather and climate forecasts and climate change tendencies are available to the communications media and to users either through the internet or by telephone. Inpe's satellite Earth observation activities involve scientific and technological knowledge in the fields of remote sensing, geoprocessing, surveying of natural resources, and monitoring of the environment. For this, it develops free software for the processing of georeferenced data. The research supports programs such as the real-time detection of deforestation by analysis of satellite images, developed by the Ministry of the Environment. This program permits immediate action against illegal deforestation. The Center for Assistance to Satellite Image Users responds daily to more than 400 requests from Brazilian users, providing free seabird satellite images through the Internet. The engineering area develops space technology for satellite and ground systems, complex products that demand a high level of technological know-how. This area handles development of satellites for science and technology, such as the SCD satellites for environmental data collection. Amazonia 1, the first to be integrated with a multi-mission platform, and the Seabirds for observing Earth resources, developed in cooperation with China. The China-Brazil Earth Resources Satellite Program, Seabirds, is one of the highlights of international cooperation in which Inpe is involved. The first satellite of the series, Seabirds 1, was launched from China on October 14, 1999. Seabirds 2 was launched on October 21, 2003. The Seabirds 2B, which was launched in 2007, contains an experimental high-resolution camera used principally in urban planning. The Seabirds program includes the launch of 2 more satellites until 2013, the Seabirds 3 and the Seabirds 4, with even more advanced technology than their predecessors. Among the major global challenges of the 21st century, Inpe is well placed to be the principal national research and development center in the areas of space and the environment, offering exceptional products and services to the benefit of the whole of society.